I would say Frontier is a great option. Above all the rest, I wouldn't support going anywhere else. All of the instructors have made all the difference in my success here.
I picked FNU because of the strong historic tradition of education and empowerment in communities, and it has totally been that experience for me.
I think one of the main reasons that I chose Frontier was their culture of caring. It really spoke to me as I was looking at a variety of different nursing programs and graduate schools, but what I found even more so as I'm going through the courses, the faculty, the staff, the entire university, and the students really embody that culture of caring.
I chose Frontier because of the flexibility that they offer. It's an online program. They're very flexible with working around your work schedule, and you actually feel like you're in a community